All right, folks, here we go. Red Drum Rodeo again, hopefully today. Back out here again with some friends. It's a little bit cooler. Started off today in some waders. Glad I did, because there was a nice swell coming up on the beach. And I would have gotten soaking wet, which is never fun, starting the day off. Good to watch the sun come up this morning. Always enjoy that. Man, you got something towing you?
Yeah, baby.
Go ahead, boy.
Watch out, Jeff. Back up.
Awesome, brother. I didn't take long this morning.
He was worried about the Twin Tower in St. Croix. Making it happen.
Hey, don't get cocky yet. You ain't got it in the kayak.
I feel more comfortable. I got him out of this open water there.
Oh, yeah, look at that. He's pulling you right along, too.
Woohoo! Hot damn, Sean.
Time to get slimy. Oh, yeah. Pretty fish. Awesome, brother. That's nice, man.
My radio knows what time it is.
That's awesome, brother. Congratulations. Ooh, that didn't take long this morning. My brother Key, he done hooked up already. Got him a nice one, probably 48, 50 incher. All right, y'all, made a little run farther out, just to get away from the traffic. There's so many people fishing the pylons up closer. It's pointless. Come on, bullies. Here we go. Reverse. Come on, turn, get through there. He caught me off guard. That one definitely got me off guard. I got lucky there, y'all, to get him out. Come on, stay away from the pipes. One more try. £50 braid to work. Oh, good. I think I got him now. He's up high enough. Oh, yeah. Got me one, got me one. Okay, guys. Nice little morning wake up call. We're ready. I ain't even measuring today. I don't even care. Come here, buddy. You ready? That was a nice little fight. See ya. Whew. Alright, y'all. It's the first one this morning. I got lucky on that one there. He actually caught me kind of out of position, and he took off through these pylons. I barely got this kayak turned around in time to be able to get him. So like I said, it's kind of important to have yourself in position and ready to go almost any direction. You don't really want to be up against the pylons, but something like that'll happen. Oh, there we go. Well, that didn't take too long. This one doesn't feel quite as big. Yep, maybe so. He just wasn't awake yet. Oh yeah, that's another nice one. He's got some scars on him. Oh, hello, thank you. There, got you now. Yeah. Just relax. I'll let you go in a sec. There we go. Alright, brother. Alright, I'm just gonna let this one go, but I think he's fine. Good? Oh yeah, that's good when they just swim away like that. Yeah. Love it. Love it. All right, guys, this is what I'm actually using is the Elias Fishing Extreme Shad and Chartreuse. That's what I caught all of them on the other day, and so far this morning. And I'm putting them on a 2-ounce spur bucktail. They are a bit long of a profile on a bucktail, so I actually cut about 1 inch off of it and just kind of scissor the end of it so the hairs can stay a little bit flatter on the bucktail. And I hooked the soft plastic kind of shallow on the hook just to have a little more of the hook actually sticking out the top. And then of course just using Mullet Pro Cure all up in the hairs of this thing. Works like a champ so far. I mean, as you've seen, it works. Believe it or not, Elias is actually out here this morning. Ran into him on the beach launching, and he was kind enough to hook me up with a few more of these swim shads. So I appreciate that, brother. I definitely do. Stay away from that pile and don't do it, don't do it. Come here, come here. This one feels better than that last one. But he's telling me right along too. I'm out here in the open, that's fine with me. There he is. Jesus, that's the biggest one I've caught for years. This is a beast. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. Oh, holy sh! Look at that. I'm gonna pick him up. Beast. Oh yeah, he's good. Whew. Yeah, baby. Oops. Dang, y'all, I just realized after half the morning of being out here, I haven't had my life jacket on. Not good. Not good at all. Apologize about that. I'm usually pretty good, especially out here. Always wear your life jacket. To be honest with you, wearing overalls ain't that great of an idea. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. So, life jacket though, definitely a must. That was an aggressive hit. Tired yet? Come on. Oh yeah. Oh beauty. That's how freaking beauty. Oh, that's another beauty. Oh, beast. He's off. Yeah, boy. Alright, well, that paid off. Oh yeah, yeah. Another good one here. You don't want to come up? It's a strong one, jeez. Look at that beauty. Alright, he's trying to swim. He's good. I don't see him anywhere. Oh, there we go. You were getting ready to jig that one too, weren't you? This one feels funny. I don't know if I got him hooked very well. I think I might lose this one. Come on up, baby. Whew. Let him wear himself out a little bit. I'm tired. You gotta stay away from that bridge. Come on. You ain't going over there. You ain't going over there. Come on back this way. Yeah, go that way. It's just swimming in circles. There he is. Come on up, you beast. Oh yeah. That's a beast. Get out from under the kayak. What are you doing? Oh no, no, no. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ah.
Well done.
I thought I was going to lose that one.
I saw you back pedal and getting them away. Well done. Right on the bottom, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, right up against the pilings, man.
Well done, man.
Thank you.
Wow. That's huge.
Oh, God. I think that's the biggest one today. I don't even know if it's even fitting in frame. Alright, y'all. It's my 6th one today. I've done a lot of jigging though. Won't be fooling to thinking this was easy. Some water flowing with him. Wait till I feel him kick one time. There he goes. He's ready. Alright, buddy. Alright, I'll let you go. I got you. Don't take my pliers. See you, big boy. Wow. That's all I can say. Well, it's very difficult to jig at the moment because the wind's shifted. It's changed everything. Good Lord. That was fast, actually. That was only my 2nd piling. Heck yeah, y'all. I think my battery might die before I get this one landed. I was talking about the current not being good, and I immediately catch a fish. Shows what I know. Alright, we're getting kind of close to this bridge. I don't even want you over there. Come back this way. Yeah. You stay out here in the middle. Come on up. Come on up, buddy. There you are. See you. Oh, yeah. Got you? Oh, yeah, I got you. Yeah, boy. Getting greedy now. Get greedy. Heck yeah. There she goes. Really? set up higher. Come on now, just staying open, staying open. Stay in the open. Come on up here. There you are. No, the bite be so good and then just crazy. I don't know, man.
Yeah, I missed that one.
I think I'm about done anyway. I'm freaking tired, man.
What time did you get out here today?
5.
5?
Yeah.
What time did the bite turn on?
Keith, he caught one up here. And I saw one other boy catch one, and then a bunch of people started showing up. So I run out there probably around, I don't know, 6:30, 7. Yeah, as soon as I got out there, man, I went second piling I jigged, boom. And I caught 4 in the first hour and a half. And then everybody showed up out there. You know, I mean, it is literally like 15 kayaks come through. So I went on that side and started fishing that bridge. And I hooked up over there, caught 2. And that's how everybody's over on that side fishing. Well, y'all, I'm officially done for the day. The wind shifted to where it's coming from, the east, and the bike shut right off. Everything ain't like it. Landed 8, hooked 11, broke 2 jigs off the hooks. Unbelievable. These are some strong fish. One of the best days of fishing I've ever had. Anyway, peace out. See you next time.